Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so the bears have a chance to take control of the tape here. You had a little bit of a breakout. There was news yesterday that the General Services Administration has started the transition to the next presidential administration. That juiced the tape up over the top of both the 9-day and the weekly pivot. So that news came right about here. Yesterday was kind of the tale of the continuation of the range trade. We were here, couldn't get through. They held it here. So, I mean, you got a higher low here. Now you got a higher high. So 36.20 to 36.25, this high over here from back on Wednesday, Wednesday the 18th, that would be your next target if the bulls can continue to progress price higher from here. So you've got the roundy, you've got the hourly midband at 35.90, 35.91. You've got volume weighted average price basically 35.99. Proprietary moving average is at 02 and change. 5-minute midband right now is at 04. It's a little after 7 o'clock in the morning Eastern time as I'm doing this. So as we head into the open, you're going to have to see how this wants to trade with respect to the roundy. So basically it's a gold-plated invitation right now to chop at the roundy before we figure out if the bulls want to keep going or if the bears want to bring it in and retest all this resistance from yesterday in the 35.80, 35.88 area. They haven't brought it all the way back since the breakout. If the bears can hold 3,600 and come back into the weekly pivot, then what they really need on a Tuesday is a close below the weekly pivot. If they can get a close below the weekly pivot, I think that keeps them in the conversation as we head into the rest of the week. What do the bulls want to do? They want to leave this all behind. They want to leave this range behind. They want to get back up here, which was the range from early last week, and they want to try to take that out and then head even higher and deal with the 36.68 reaction high from back here, if they can. And look, it's far away, but it's not all that far away. If they really get going, it won't be a big deal. So the second vaccine spike high is here, 36.37. Prior one's 36.38. Those are areas that I would expect the bears to try to defend. So look, it's on the bulls now. Can they take it higher? They're going to bring it in. We're going to have to see. But right now, be very careful about getting chewed up this morning at that roundy. We're probably going to take our runner. We were short at the close. We got stopped out, and then they took it the other way. We were patient. We had to get in at 90, and so we've got a runner left from there. It actually was so dead last night that it didn't stop us out. But my plan is to take that runner at some point this morning and be flat into the regular session. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.